Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you a hair trick na I've been doing for the past month or so. So I'm going to show you how I straighten my hair. It's very simple and ipapakita ko sa inyo yung tools na ginagamit ko. Very inexpensive, and ito yung current straightening routine ko. If you're naturally curly like myself, you know na you're wondering kung paano mapapatagal yung straight hair natin, especially in this kind of weather. It's very humid. Honestly, I'm so sweaty now kasi nga it's so hot. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys kung paano nyo mapapatagal na straight yung hair nyo. This is tried and tested, and I just wanted to share with you guys this amazing product or routine. I know a lot of you have seen my video about this hair tools from Watson's, and I'm so happy na a lot of you guys actually bought the same planchas. I've been eyeing this product for a long time. Nakita ko siya originally sa beauty bar and it's so expensive there. I'll show it to you kung itsura niya. But then, for some reason, nakita ko to sa DIY shop. So we went there. DIY shop is located in Ayala Mall, Feliz. So it's amazing. They have all the products that you can think of, like from stickers to school supplies. Basta lahat meron doon. Then I saw this one and I thought, oh my god, this is like the best dupe for that particular product that I like. Guys, syempre natanggal ko na siya sa lalagyan. Ito yung lalagyan niya. This is the Straight and Go wireless ceramic straightening brush. This is what it looks like, as you can see. May kasama siyang lalagyan and it says Straight and Go. This is the brush itself. So ganyan na itsura niya. So you can see may mga hair pa kasi ginagamit ko siya talaga every day. I got this for only 200. Originally, this is meant for blow drying the hair, but what I do is I actually use this with the plancha. I know a lot of you are asking, once na sinaksak nyo siya and nagbe-blink, it's gonna stop. Now, once na nag-stop na siya, that's the time na you can use it for your hair. Let's start. So, habang inaantay natin siyang uminit, the first thing that we need to do is to brush our hair. So I'm going to show you guys my naturally curly hair. This is air dried, as in wala akong ginawa dito or anything. This is my natural hair, as you can see. Yeah, we have a lot to do here, I know. This is like the reality. I have really curly and frizzy hair, so once na binrush ko to, lalo siyang kakapal. So there, this is my hair. Gonna tie my hair up. So what I do is, yan, iipitan ko siya ng ganyan, and then I'm going to use this one. So, magkasunod lang. Like that. See? Super straight. Like, super straight, guys. And ever since I started using this method, like, yung pag-straight ko ng hair ko is like, super bilis lang. So, this is my hair. Ganun lang kasimple. If you don't have flat iron, you can also use your hair dryer. Na-try ko siya with hair dryer, pero hindi siya ganun ka-straight like this one. So I'm going to straighten my hair and I'm going to show you guys after. I'm not sure kung naririnig niyo yung ulan, but yeah, it started raining. But yeah, guys, this is my hair. This is what I do to make it super straight. And before, what I used to do, as you can see from my previous video, is ginagamit ko to kapag basa yung hair ko because I find it easier to use this flat iron kapag wet yung hair ko. But ever since I started doing this method, super mas madali kapag dry yung hair nyo. I've been doing this for the past month or so, and this is like the only time I can sit down and share with you guys this amazing hair trick. This is like super helpful, especially if you're like me na, as you can see kanina, my hair is like super unmanageable, like it's crazy. So yeah, basically what this does is this brush helps ensure that your hair is smooth out. So, kapag dumaan yung plancha, talagang straight na straight siya. That's everything that I wanted to share with you guys. Kung gusto nyo mas gumanda pa yung hair nyo, you can also use straightening products like the hair mist. I also use that one, but I ran out of it. So, this video, wala akong ginamit talaga. This is just my hair. Yeah, that's everything that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope that you like this video. So if you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I'll see you